I think it was really cute that I got a hiccup. I'm scared to talk and I feel like I'm gonna get a hiccup. Got it again. It's cute. I don't think I've ever got hiccups while riding, so this is the first. I hate hiccups. I mean, when I do it, it's really cute, but still, I just don't like them. Damn it. Hiccup. Why do I hiccups? Come on, damn hiccups. I don't have any water to drink. I could drink my own spit. But I don't think it works like that. Hickety hiccups. But how cute is it, alright? All you ladies out there, how cute is this right now? Super cute. Hiccups! Hiccups. I'm a man! God, hiccuping, man, it destroys you. Freaking destroys you. The hiccup won't stop. I've tried drinking my own spit, but I can only drink so much. Back.